Sunil, Shivangi, Anil, Anubhav Pandey. So today we'll go through a task which is known as a half group task. Okay, and as the name suggests, your group has to divide in two parts, and the task will be of similar nature like command task or PGT. Only difference in case of PGT, you are 10 members as a group working together in that, and you're tackling number of obstacles there. And the command task, you are being given responsibility to finish the task, and some people are being provided to you to help you out to do the task. However, in case of half group task, only difference is that it is not complete group working as together. Your group is divided in two halves, which are already done, right? For the same task of similar nature, and only this will be done in such a manner when one subgroup is working on it, other subgroup will not be permitted to watch it. Fine. So this is how the half group task will be done. Any question on the task or clarification of the task? All are clear? Since you already done one of the tasks, that means generally you know what type of the tasks are there. Fine. So what we are going to do is now is that 2172 130. This group will stay back here, and 105 to 167. You all can get up from here. Now helping material for you. This is also part of the obstacle. Okay. Now helping material with you is you got a long plank, it's a small plank, a bully, and two ropes in this bucket. And also the bucket is a load that you are supposed to carry with you. Okay, the start line and that is the finish line. As I said, your job is to start from here, reach the finish line as early as possible. Structure within this, you can see here is the bench sort of a structure. Colors as you see on ground. The blue color and the green color are, you can take them same. Okay, so anywhere if you find blue color and green color, that means it is inbound for you but out of bound for your helping material and for your load. Okay. And all structure which is white in color, they are inbound for you, for helping material, for your load also. Right? Now, one structure you see on my right, colors you see the green and blue, as I told you, it is the same. That way it is inbound for you, but for out of bound for your helping material and load. Fine? And red is totally out of bound for you, for helping material, for load also. Here you see a bench sort of a structure which is a white platform next to it, and here is the center you see a cross shaped structure. This portion blue, rest complete is white with a white platform next to it. Over here also again you see alphabet A structure, this got arm jetting out this side, and you see the platform which is 3/4 blue or oblique green in color, and the 1/4 is white in color. On extreme left you see triangle shape of structure and a white platform next to it. Also if you see the finish line, there is a two green mark. Okay, so area between these two marks is, you can presume to be the green only. So that means it is out of bound for your helping material and for your load, but inbound for you. Clear hai? Right. Your job is to start from here and reach the finish line.
Just hold it. Just climb on that. Put it here. Put this here. Climb on that. Don't hold it. You move on. Stay at that green level.
Go ahead.
No, don't hold it. She's standing on that green portion. Put it right. Put it here. Mansi,
go on the white line. First, then you can hold this bucket. First, you go on the white line. We can't use helping material there because you are standing in a green line.
Basket put here. Move on.
Yes.
I'm talking about this.
Stand it. इसको hold करो.
Isn't that one? Can we use that bucket also?
No, it's a load. You can't use that.
But it would touch the ground.
No, you can't use that.
It won't be stable even if you put it.
There's a difference. ये लगाओ, ये लगाओ, ये लगाओ.
Can't jump.
भैया भैया नहीं
We first need to go there. First we need to think how.
You're not able to cross that.
We can jump, na? Two people stand here. Yeah. Two people stand here.
I will stand here. आजा आजा मैं देखूँ. समझ में आया? You understood?
Wait. Just wait.
You should go. Okay.
Yeah, take this plank. No. 167. Yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Don't touch this plank on the ground.
Okay. I can touch here.
No, this is unstable. No. This side नहीं. But this is unstable, I think. This is
Unstable,
unstable. Give me friend.
Yeah, I want to use. Let me. Put this here. Yeah, on the ground.
No, this is unstable. This is unstable. Unstable.
Yeah, this is the problem.
We need to do something from this side, na?
Yeah.
Then we can think something. We can use this structure because we have got that. No problem.
Yes.
But it may fall now from there. We should fix this belly downward, otherwise the plank may fall. Nice, doesn't fall. The rope will not slip right from this side. Yes, like this.
You can also put the 163. Go. Yeah.
One idea only, you're trying to work out that idea everywhere. Is somewhere it's working, somewhere it's not working. You got an idea of putting chota plank, उसको बड़ा plank रख दिया, and then you all the place you're trying that same idea. You wasted a lot of time on an idea which was not very practical, but somehow you're able to fasa that body plank there and it worked out. Okay.